Hi, I'm Ajay from Manipal University, Jaipur, and I took part in Nebula Nexus. My team name is Ajay Insane, and I am the only member in team. So I chose this problem statement to design a web-based dashboard that visualizes live or simulated space mission data and weather. So I specifically make it for weather perspective because I didn't got a lot of time and I was only member in team. So what basically I used, let me tell you. I used NASA APIs for fetching weather data of Mars. This was the document of using that API. It is known as Insight Mars Weather Service API. So I registered for this. They sent me an API key like this. I used in this in my code and I hosted my code and I made a repository of GitHub here. So let me tell you how you can access my repository. So here you can access my repository of Nebula Nexus Mars Agency. You can clone it in your PC. And I used Next.js as a full stack development for full stack development purpose because it provides both. So here's my code. You can install packages using npm or pnpm. I prefer pnpm. Just need to run pnpm I or install, and you can run npm or pnpm run dev, npm run dev or pnpm dev. So here's how you can access my code on localhost. Here's what I made. Okay, it's enough, I think. So let's talk about technologies which I used or packages I used. As I told, I developed it using Next.js, and here are packages that I used. So I basically used component library too much. It is not mean that I don't know to code those component, as I am a I use ShatCN for components, and I am a contributor of ShatCN also. So it is, and I have great relation with that guy also, Sakshian. So I can redesign their many components. We work together, and I especially designed dark mode for for ShatCN for Next.js specifically. So that's I think that's I'm a part of that library. That's why I'm using those. Otherwise, I know how to code those components. It's just general point mentioning from my side if it was allowed or not. I used a lot of component from CN, and what else I used is I used Framer Motion, Next.js, and 3JS for a 3D model. I have put in a 3D model of Mars also, and not much. And I hosted my website on my subdomain, uh, which is which is mars.ajaypawar.com. Here's how you can access my website and what I have built. So what I've built is this. It's a dashboard for analyzing Mars weather. It's completely real time based on data which I get from NASA. Even I've put in a demo data also or mock data also, that my software doesn't fail because of if I rely on API and if there is some problem through on the side of NASA, so my software doesn't fail. So I have put in some demo data also. So I am not getting Olympus moon data, so it's showing offline. And these two are running on these three are running on API data. And this is my Mars 3D image, and you can see temperature in Kelvin and Celsius, and you can refresh it from here. If you want detailed data, you can click on it, and it will show that how when last time data was updated by NASA, and here are the detailed preview of that specific data on particular region. So I am showing temperature, atmospheric pressure, and speed of Mars. So here you can see 3 active stations and 1 inactive, which is this one. And it's responsive also. You can use it on mobile screens also, but it is basically designed for desktop. So that's it. Thank you.